Hey there, food lovers! Ready for a treat that's easy to make and utterly delicious? Of course you are! Today, we're diving into the world of corn muffins. Fluffy, golden, and bursting with flavor. No need to be an expert baker for this one. This recipe is perfect for beginners and anyone short on time. Let's get started and whip up a batch of happiness together. Before we start baking, let's gather our ingredients. It's always best to have everything ready before you begin, so you can focus on the fun part, baking. Don't worry, we're keeping things simple. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup all-purpose flour, which forms the base of our muffins. 1 cup cornmeal for that lovely texture and a bit of crunch. Half a cup granulated sugar, but feel free to adjust this to your sweetness preference. Some like it sweeter, some less so. 1 tablespoon baking powder, which is the secret to making our muffins rise and become fluffy. Half a teaspoon salt to enhance all those flavors. 1 cup milk to add moisture. 1/4 cup vegetable oil for richness, and 1 large egg to bind everything together. See? Simple ingredients for a truly scrumptious treat. With these essentials, you're all set to bake the perfect corn muffins. Let's get started. Now for the fun part, mixing. This is where the magic begins, and you can really start to feel the joy of baking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. This ensures that your muffins will bake evenly and come out perfectly golden. Grab a large bowl and whisk together the flour, cornmeal, sugar, baking powder, and salt. These dry ingredients are the building blocks of our delicious muffins. This dry mix is the foundation of our muffin magic. Make sure everything is well combined to ensure a consistent texture. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk, oil, and egg. These wet ingredients will bring moisture and richness to our muffins. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Don't overmix. Overmixing can make the muffins tough. A few lumps are perfectly fine. They add character and ensure that the muffins will be tender and fluffy. They add to the charm of homemade muffins. Enjoy the process and the delightful results of your baking efforts. Section 4. Baking and enjoying your delicious creation. This is where all your hard work comes together into a delightful treat. Start by greasing your muffin tin thoroughly, or, for an easier cleanup, use paper liners. This step ensures that your muffins won't stick and will come out perfectly. Next, carefully divide the batter evenly among the muffin cups. Make sure each cup is filled to the same level to ensure even baking. Pop them in the preheated oven and bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them as they bake to avoid overcooking. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This is a foolproof way to check for doneness. While those muffins bake, your kitchen will be filled with the most amazing aroma. The smell of freshly baked muffins is simply irresistible. Once baked, let the muffins cool in the tin for a few minutes. This helps them set. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely, ensuring they don't become soggy. Now comes the best part, enjoying your warm golden corn muffins. They should be a beautiful golden color and perfectly moist inside. Savor them as is, or add a pat of butter for extra deliciousness. The butter will melt into the muffin, adding a rich, creamy texture that enhances the flavor. Section 5. Stay connected and keep cooking. Congratulations on baking up a batch of happiness. I hope you love these quick and easy corn muffins. They're perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a delightful snack any time of day. Stay tuned for more simple and delicious recipes coming your way. Don't forget to share your culinary adventures with me. Happy cooking!